me show you how I load a bass boat when the water's real low and you got current. This is the easiest way I've found to load a boat. Believe me, it's from trial and error. Anyway, after you dunk your trailer, dunk it all the way, get your bunks wet. This is a three-part maneuver. Sometimes it takes four. See how far up I got my trailer. Probably should have brought it up a little further than that. Normally you wouldn't even see but an inch of my front hub or wheel well on the trailer. We might be able to make this work. This water is pretty low and this current is pushing from our right to left, so see how low she is. Once you get it on there, how you like it. And this is why trick step is so invaluable, especially with guys with disabilities, or guys getting up in their years, or just have hurt knees or hips. This thing right here will save you, believe me. Anyway, you got her up on the bunks. You go ahead and put your hook on or your winch. What you want to do is get a good tight bite on it, where you got a hold of the trailer of your boat rather. All right, now you're going to dunk down you're going to back her up another foot or so. Got her down a little bit further. Got her on there right on there straight. So I like what I see. I'm going ahead and trim this motor up. Now I got a good tight bite on it. I'm gonna drop her down a little bit further in the water. What you want to avoid is getting your bow of your boat too low where it won't go up on your pulley on your wheel. That's two. That's three. Put an eye on it, check it. In three parts, you should be able to get your boat on your trailer in real low water, which I'm in right here, and current driven water, which I'm in. Anyway, guys, that's all it is to it. The trick step, invaluable, truly invaluable, guys. After this rain, the water would be up, but there's nothing worse than driving or an hour or two, or heck, even a few minutes. You get to the water and you want to go fishing and it's low. You know, it's easy to put them in. Getting them back out's another story. So I hope that helps you guys. Anyway, have a good one. God bless and tight lines, my friends.